Hello and welcome to this class. I'm Justin Shogule and I'll be taking you on a tutorial on how to use the EadPad. So you're welcome. This is the first interface of the EadPad after installation. So as a demarcator, you're expected to just make sure that everything you do, you get yourself used to the interface. So first of all, I'm clicking on open demarcation exercise. As you open the demarcation exercise, you see up here you have hello, no name, because you have not inputted your profile into the system. So the first thing as a demarcator is to create your profile. So you click on my profile and you fill in your details for my profile. So first of all, we are currently working in Abuja, so we select state name, Abuja or FCT for Abuja. The local government name, we are working in central area, and central area currently in Abuja is Abuja Municipal. Now, what word are we working with in the central area? We have a lot of central areas that are here, so just let's pick the city center, and we have the word code automatically selected for us by picking the word name. Now, as a demarcator, you have team details that has been given to you by the coordinator, so you are expected to put in your team number appropriately and your set number. But for the essence of this practical, I'll be selecting a random team number. Let's say I'm team 3 and I'm definitely set 2. So as a random team number and set number, that's what I've picked in. Then you enter your full demarcator name, your personal details, your full name, no abbreviations accepted. So I think it's best to put in your third name if possible, because some people will have the same name as you. Especially in the East, you have it coming up as popular things like that. Though sometimes in the West or even in the North, it just depends on where you are coming from. You can have people bearing the same names. So just to avoid conflicts, just try and put a third name. Then as soon as you are done with the details, you save the details. If you don't save the details, you can't go further. So save the details. Note, ensure all details entered in this field are correct. Once submitted, this would override all previous settings. Submit. We are correct. We have done it safely and right and correct. So now we have created a profile. Now, before you had hello, no name. Now you have hello, Shogule Justin Kolapo. That is, the profile has been embedded into the system. Now, after a profile creation, we have to create a new case. To create a new case, you tap on create a new case, and your word is expected to be selected again. If you remember very well, we've selected previously city center for the word name. So we are selecting the word and we select city center. The essence of this word name popping up again is peradventure you have been sent to a new word to work and you forgot to go and change it in your demarcator profile. You can just change it here. So this is just a reminder. Now this is our first EA in the whole structure, so it's automatically input temporary EA code 1 for us automatically. What's our EA structure? Currently we are having a multi-locality EA for the first start, and as we go on, we are going to change this to a multi-EA locality. So select multi-locality EA. What's your locality name? Just for the essence of exercise, you're going to put in let's just say Abaji as a locality name, and the temporary locality code randomly, let's just give it a 101. And then the locality type, we're talking about the multi-locality EA now, so let us say we are picking it as sampling, because we're having over 21 buildings in the EA, so we're picking sampling. And the locality class, we are going to be taking a sub-primary locality, and it's asking us for the primary locality name. So let's say this primary locality name is Asokoro. So let's say Abaji is under Asokoro. So we have given a primary locality name as Asokoro, and it is sub-primary. Abaji is sub-primary to Asokoro. Now sub-primary to Asokoro, and then put Asokoro. Now you have to save and open a new case to go further. Yes, proceed. Now after creating that case right here, it automatically drops into the incomplete case. Now incomplete case, you tap on incomplete case in order to work on the file, and you see it here automatically showing as an incomplete case. The EA code, temporary EA code is 1, serial number is 1. Then you have the date, you have open case, you have edit case details, you have add new locality, you have view case summary. Now open case means you want to start working on the case. Now, like we picked initially, we picked multi-locality EA. Now, deliberately we have picked multi-locality EA, but right now, getting to the field, we find out that it's going to actually make up 2 localities, 2 EAs. So instead of picking it as a multi-locality EA now, I want to go back and change it as back to a multi-EA locality. So I'm going to just click on edit case details and go there and change it to multi-EA locality automatically. And then we have changed it to multi-EA locality. You have Abaji as a locality name, and that's that. Still a sampling locality, still a primary locality, Tasokoro, and then you tap update EA attribute. Are you about to update this EA? Yes, update. So now automatically it has been changed from a multi-locality EA to a multi-EA locality. Then we'll open the case. Notice you are about to open this exercise. Click yes to proceed. If you click no, you go back to the previous page. You still stay on the same point. When you click yes, you advance further. Now you have a case open. In this sense, we are having an incomplete map because our data is not turned on. And that's why we have this. So shortly we are going to come back with the data turned on and the map loaded.